Your bird's cage rage isn't just bad behavior, it's a cry for help. Here's how to fix it fast. If your bird is suddenly lunging, biting, or screaming at the cage bars, don't panic, it's not personal. Birds act out when they feel trapped or bored. First, check the cage size. Too small? Upgrade immediately. Next, rearrange perches and toys weekly to spark curiosity. Add foraging toys, hidden treats keep their minds busy. If aggression happens at certain times, like dusk, cover the cage partially to signal bedtime. Never punish, it backfires. Instead, reward calm behavior with treats. And here's the big one. Spend 10 minutes daily just sitting near the cage, talking softly. Trust builds fast. Which tip are you trying first? Drop a comment and let's help your bird chill out.